Welcome to the video that can give you the fastest definition of a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant? Virtual assistant? Ano ba to? Ang isang virtual assistant ay isang independent contractor, meaning ikaw ay isang freelancer who works remotely, meaning you work from home or anywhere you wanna go. Basta meron kang wifi at laptop with you or computer. Your job is to provide service to your future client. But remember guys, bilang isang virtual assistant, you are your own boss. Meaning, dapat marunong ka o kaya mo i-manage ang sarili mo. It requires a lot of discipline. Kaya regardless kung mag-isa ka lang or you're on your own, dapat kaya mo i-manage at mag-deliver ng work mo para sa client mo. I-like mo ang video nito kung gets mo. As a virtual assistant guys, napakarami mong pwede maging trabaho. Pwedeng voice accounts or non-voice accounts. Here are some examples of the services that you can offer to your clients. Paki-pause na lang. Ano, nakuha mo ba yun? Alin sa pinakitang listahan ng service na gusto mo i-offer sa future client mo? Comment below. Paano nga bang scheduling or setup dito? Guys, may tatlong klaseng kontrata dito. Pwede kang full-time, part-time, or project-based. For scheduling, pwede kang scheduled, okay, or flexi. In my case, flexi time ako. Saan nga ba makakuha ng kliyente? Dalawa lang yan guys, is either you get clients directly or through an agency. Pero kung ikaw ay beginner pa lang, guys, makinig ka dito sa advice ko. I suggest you start with an agency. Bakit? Because with an agency, meron kang free training, which is something that you really need, no? At the same time, secured ka na hindi ka lolokohin ng mga kliyente mo. Because the employees from the agency will be the ones who will get clients for you and they will make sure na hindi ka nila lolokohin at babayaran ka nila on time, buong buo. Come on! Tapos bilang isang beginner guys, tatlong bagay na ang kailangan mo to start to become a virtual assistant. Unang-una, syempre a laptop or computer. Pangalawa, very reliable wifi. And lastly, headphones with mic na noise cancelling. Meron pa to advantages pag ikaw ay naging isang virtual assistant. Unang-una mga besh, less expenses because you don't have to spend money for pamasahe, lalo na kung traffic or malayo ang bahay mo. Oo. Number 2, besh, napaka-convenient. Since online lang ang job mo, you can work from home with your family and do all the things you need at home. Come on. And of course, yung pinaka-importante, number 3, balanse ang buhay mo. That is what we all deserve. Come on! Oh, nandito ko pa. At kung nandito ka pa, ibig sabihin, sobrang interesado ko sa mga ganitong content. If so, i-hit mo na yung subscribe button at notification bell dahil marami pa akong pwedeng i-share sa inyo about this topic. Oo. Tatlo lang qualifications dito mga besh para mag-isang VA ka. Number 1 is dapat you're always willing to learn. Kasi in this industry guys, the more you learn, the more you get better clients and higher pay. Number 2, dapat kaya mong mag-embrace ng changes. Hindi lahat ng tao ay kaya mag-embrace ng changes. Itong industriya ito ay ibang-iba sa pinanggalingan nyo. Kaya kung hindi mo kaya mag-embrace ng change at i-embrace ang kultura ng iyong future client, then this job is not for you. And number 3, ang mga taong madidiskarte at masisipag lang ang tumatagal at umuunlad sa industriyang ito. So, dapat ikaw din ganon. O, ikaw ba yun? Kung ikaw yun, ano pang hinihintay mo? Apply na! How to start? I-click mo lang yung provided link sa description box and you're ready to go.